morning, students. In the previous video we have completed the chapter The Iron Age Civilization. I hope you have revised the chapter and you have read the keywords also. So today we are going to take up the question answers. Take the correct option. The oldest Veda is? The answer is Rig Veda. Question number 2. What was the main occupation of Aryans? So the answer is agriculture. The main occupation of Aryans was agriculture. The chief god during the early Vedic civilization was? The answer is Indra. The supreme god worshipped during the Greek civilization was? The answer is Zeus. Who calculated the circumference of the earth? The answer is Greeks. Now fill in the blanks. The word Veda means knowledge. As a part of the barter system, dash was used as a standard of value. So the answer is cow. The early Vedic period is also known as dash period, that is Rig Vedic period. In the later Vedic period, Varna system became hereditary and very rigid. During Sannyas ashram, a man lived a life of complete detachment. Now students, match the following. Epic age is later Vedic period. यहाँ पे आपको confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. The answer is later Vedic period. Then Shudras, they were the laborers. Then Senani, commander of army. Grihapati, that is head of the family. Indra, god of thunder. So students, now question answers are also there. Few questions I will make you do in the book से ही मैं आपको करवा दूंगी. Then you can note them in your notebook. What were the main inventions of Greek civilization? So students, the answer of this one is main invention of Greek civilization, that is page number 95. See this table, Greek civilization, and these are the inventions. So how you will write? Greeks. The Greeks calculated the circumference of the earth. This will be point number 1. Then point number 2. They drew maps of the world. Point number 3. They started Olympic Games. Okay, that only 2 points you will write. You will not write Olympic Games. Okay, only 2 points. Name the gods that were worshipped by Romans. Again, the answer is here. Romans, page number 95. Same table. Romans worshipped goddess Vesta, Venus, and gods Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, Juno. Okay. Then students, name the 4 Vedas. So very easy. Rig Veda, you know that. That is again on page number 95. And the Vedic civilization में देखो. Here we have the answer. Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda. You will write number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda. Okay. And students, this question number 4, this question will be uploaded to your DAV website. Okay. Mention the main occupations of the people of Iranian civilization. Again, page number 95. This table, Iranian civilization, occupation. So the main occupation of Iranian civilization were trading, shipbuilding, craft, silk weaving, pottery, metalwork, gem cutting. Okay. So students, these questions, these E part, that will be uploaded to your DAV website. Okay, so what was the political condition of the country under Aryans? The political condition was good, army was strong, Raja was powerful. Okay, these kind of things will be there. What was the condition of women in the early Vedic period? So the condition of women was very good, they were respected, and they had a they had education also. So explain varna system, you will tell varnas. So these questions I will upload to your DAV website. So students, till then revise your chapter thoroughly. Okay, chapter को पूरा अच्छे से thoroughly revise करो and learn the question answers and try to complete your work in your book. Other questions will be uploaded to your DAV website. Thank you students, have a nice day.